I just realized I made a massive mistake. It rained for 2 days and it showed me this pot gets completely waterlogged. I have to move these pumpkins right now or they are going to rot. Last year this pot was covered in tall weeds, so the soil hidden underneath was a mystery to me. I will move at least 4 pumpkins to the bed, which is to this bed. I actually only managed to transplant 3 of my pumpkins in this bed. And here they are. Pumpkin plants are usually slow growers in the first weeks. This is because they put all their efforts into growing strong roots. Now, because I've transplanted them a second time, I expect them to grow even slower. So I decided to interplant them with peas. The peas are going to cover the soil, so it will help to reduce weeds. And because peas grow relatively quickly, I hope by the time the pumpkins take over, the peas will be already done. Here you can see I'm taking out the flower buds because I don't want the plant to focus on the flowers. I want the plant to focus on restoring the root system and the leaves. Here I've planted 2 rows of long beans and I'm going to transplant 2 pumpkins here. Look what I found. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe, it helps me. So what's left here are just 2 zucchinis. Now I will think what to do with this. I have some extra seeds, I just might plant them and see if something grows. That's it. I went to the nursery and bought 3 aubergine plants and 4 cucumbers. Here I am transplanting the aubergine. This? Okay, I think it's glass. And this as well. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's find glass after the rain. This plastic. Uh-oh. Glass. So I decided to plant here my bulbous cucumbers. I took the long variety. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. This is some kind of tile that was very common in the past. I mean, it's kind of like a joke now. And here I've decided to plant borlotti beans, which in English are also called cranberry beans. Anyway, it's this type. It's a few days later and the pumpkins seem to do fine. And the beans are starting to sprout as well. Out, out. you can see. Here is the other pumpkin, and here are the other three. And here after 3 days, as you can see, it's very muddy, it's still very soft, and I'm still thinking what I should do. But here it's the drier part of this bed, so the zucchinis are doing fine. And I've even transplanted, there was a little seedling approximately here, so I've transplanted it here, and let's see. I'm not even sure, is this a pumpkin or a zucchini, but we'll find out, I guess. Here I really don't know what I'm going to plant, if I plant anything. I don't know which seeds might grow in this kind of soil and even thrive maybe. I mean, definitely all these weeds, they were growing very well. So, but I'd rather not plant weeds. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, if you have this kind of wet soil in your land and you are growing something there, please let me know what I could plant here. I will do also my own research, and yeah, see you next time.